The grill gun is a high-power 400,000 BTU torch that lights your charcoal and heats up your grill faster than any other grill starter available today. We're measuring in minutes and seconds here, not in tens of minutes. It makes charcoal grilling faster and more fun than grilling on gas that you use to light your charcoal grill now. I mean, right now. The grill gun is the ultimate high-quality, high-power portable torch that is specifically designed to comfortably and safely hold as you light your charcoal grill now, your chimenea now, your outdoor fireplace now, your campfire now. It'll light your charcoal and warm up your grill so fast that you'll be cooking on charcoal in a couple of minutes, up to 5 times faster than you could be cooking on a gas grill. No hot air blowers, torches, electric elements, nasty lighter fluid, flexi fans, or charcoal chimneys can do what the grill gun can do. The sous vide gun, as you can see, is a shorter version of the grill gun. It's designed to be able to use in the kitchen and to be able to get tightly around the meat that you're trying to sear. Remove the meat from this sous vide bag, dry it off, and put it on your stone in order to be able to sear it. As you can see, it's easy to sear it all the way around because you have complete and perfect control. The sous vide gun is the ideal torch to be able to use in the kitchen to sear your meat. It's got a shorter barrel, it's lightweight, easy to handle, and easy to focus and direct onto the meat to get the perfect sear. It's a portable, high-powered torch that lights charcoal in seconds, not tens of minutes. It'll be the best, longest-lasting torch you've ever bought. Look, you know you want one, and you know you can't believe somebody actually has created such a hot, cool tool. So now all you have to do is get your hands on one. Let's go grill it.